Imagine yourself standing at the lower left corner of the picture. You're looking east along the red line, which is the Avenue of the Palms, toward Clipper Cove and that blue dome shape, which is Building 1. Now we enlarge the picture to the entire construction zone, which is bordered by that blue line. The blue line also functions as the vehicle detour route for automobiles and buses. You come off the Bay Bridge from the right, over the causeway to the left, turn right at Clipper Cove Way, left at Avenue D, right again at California following the blue line, left again along the blue line at the top of the map, which is Avenue H, then right again down 9th Street to the bottom of the map near the red line. We're at the bottom of the map at the red line looking east when the video starts again. Now we draw back to see the entire island and how large an area the construction zone takes up. It's about the size of the housing area. Yeah, I'm videoing all this activity that's happening. See these trucks? You see the trucks there? And those big machines. Why those trucks are wandering all around in there.